Come on. Out. Out, out, damn spot. What are you looking at? Ben. Okay, out. Come on, out. Thank you. Slow as always. Slow. It's the only dog that's a senior citizen when it's 3 months. They're born senior citizens. What's the opposite of... He's the born lazy. Oh, I shouldn't say lazy. He might have attention deficit. No, I don't think he does. There's Minnie Helen again. Cat bud. Cat bud, cat bud. Shadows are really strong today. Well, that's not true. Okay, so they didn't love the Brussels sprouts. But I think I gave them to them in the afternoon, so they might not have come up here yet. Hello, other cat. Let's see which one you are. Oops. Nope. Okay, let's not. I think that's it. Not a lot of time taken today. I've been in a reflective mood lately.